to the problem. Question number 3. By what number should minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7 be divided so that the quotient may be equal to 9? For this, answer minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7 divided by x equal to 9. You write minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7 by x equal to 9. Now, cross multiplication. 9x equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7. So, x equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7 divided by 9 equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7 into 1 by 9. Now, what will be the result? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. How many times? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 3 into 9. Now, what will be the result? Now, you write multiply and then you can get the result. Any problem? Now, the next topic is related. Now, next topic is related. Find the question number 10. Find the reciprocal of 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. Answer. At first you have to solve this. 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 equal to. When there is a sign of minus, then convert this numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. 2 by 1 whole to the power 2 divided by, similarly 3 by 2 whole to the power 3. Now, what will be the result? 2 by 1 into 2 by 1 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 into 2 into 2. Now, 2 ja 4 divided by 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 by 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 equal to 4 into 8 by 27 equal to 32 by 27. Now, write the reciprocal of this. That will be the required answer. Answer is hence reciprocal equal to 27 by 32. It is the answer. Now, dear students, do more practice in this section. This is based on simplification. One question. Question number 7. P by Q equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 into 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 4. Now solve it. It is 4 by 9 into, what is the meaning of this? This meaning is 4 by 1 whole to the power 4. Now 4 by 9 into 4 4 are 16, 4 are 64, 4 are 256 by 1. Now what have to find? You have to find P by Q whole to the power minus 2. You have to find the value of this. So this is equal to 4 by 9 into 256 by 1 whole to the power minus 2. Now when there is a sign of minus, so change denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. The 9 by 4 into 1 by 256 whole to the power 2. Now either you can write it in exponential form, or either you can multiply and write in additional number form. 9 by 4, you can write 9 into 9 into 1 into 1 by 4 into 4 by 256 into 256. Any problem? Now multiply and write the answer. This is the required answer. Thank you for today's class.